So welcome back to Product Zone. Today we're going to unbox and put this to the test. This is the Nutribullet. This is the combo blender set. This is a 1200 watt. I had a 700 watt. I had a 900 watt. I went from Ninja blender. I went from like off-brand blenders. I went to a lot of blenders until I give up, and I'm going with something better right now. It's the first thing is if you're looking to give someone a gift, especially Father's Day coming up, Mother's Day, birthday, everything, this highly recommend. So you look like we have a full lot of instruction going. All right, so first cup right here with a handle, really nice handle, and you could see right here this lid right here. I don't know if you guys could see, it's more like flat and smooth, so you could drink off it. It is not like straight up edge, so you know, uncomfortable. And if we look here, we got our second runner up. Another one right here. This is really good for like mixing and grinding. I'm going to be grinding some stuff too. Really nice. So the quality right now of this cup is legit. Feeling really good. All right, let me get everything out. Let me show you. Holy crap. This thing is massive. I love this. Oh my God. New gains, new weights, baby. Losing some weight. Oh, this look like I'm going to beat somebody with this. Oh, I guess this is like a plunger down, baby. I didn't even know it came with that. I hope we don't need it, but that's awesome. Let's feel the machine. I hope it's not too heavy. Oh, it's not. Thank God. Look at this. This thing is not heavy. The last one I bought felt like it was going to break my cabinet and countertop. All right. Looks a little oily here. Look like they used this before. Look at this spot right here. Very suspicious. Yeah, you guys got to watch the product. Sometimes they'll like clean it up and try to resell it back. I hope not. I'm not a fan of that. I don't like when other people use my stuff. All right, so if we look right here, we got extract. We have low, medium, high, and then pause, and then power button. Very simple and easy, and we're going to get a light that's showing right there. The card is long enough. They do not throw away your box, especially if it does not work. You want to return it, so save your box, save everything before, because I know some companies like 30 days, so make sure keep your stuff. These are gadgets, these are electronic stuff. They're not always made well. Sometimes they break, sometimes they come, you know, something's wrong with it, so always keep the stuff. All right, so I'm gonna show you right here. So this part will screw on these two cups, and it fits there, and this bad boy has his own blade inside right there, which we're going to take a look close up at his blade. And we do have what you call suction cups at the bottom, so it doesn't like move when you're blending. The suction cup is pretty good. So you have 4 suction cup right there. On a granite countertop, it helps a lot. If it doesn't have those suction cup, while you're blending, the blender will be moving all over. So this is one of the reasons why I got the combo, because if I want to mix a lot of stuff in here, 64 ounce in here, or if I want to go a smaller one and mix these cups. These cups are 32 ounce each. One is without a handle, and one is with a handle to go. Makes sense. And this blade right here screws on to these two right here. So if we screw it off, and then it's leak proof, so you don't have to worry about anything leaking or anything. If it leaks, it means your stuff is no good. Return. And then all you gotta do is put it on like that right there. See that? Look at that. And it locks in. Then we lock it out. So this right here I'm gonna show you. So we got a middle part that we could unscrew, and while it's like blending, you could just like, you could just like smash the stuff in there. Oh, look at that. Yeah, smashing the stuff to mix in. So, you know, sometimes stuff stuck at the top, which I love to give you that option right there. So I just want to show you how I filled it up with strawberries, all mixed berries, oatmeal, almond, frozen fruit, banana, spinach, kale, Greek yogurt. And I kind of passed the line a little bit right there. I got a little carried away. So we're going to see if it spilled over and how it blend. This is incredible. I'm super excited. I'm a big fan of smoothies. Right, so we closed it in, we plugged it in. All right, so this is the power right here. You got to make sure this is in place, and we're gonna low. Holy smoke! I'm excited. So we're gonna press medium. Wow, look at that. Feel some air come out. All right, we're gonna go high. Let's do extract. That's extract. And then we could pause it. And then we could go back high. I'm just curious. think we're done. All right, so I didn't let it blend too long, and this is exciting. Oh my God. I wanted to show you the size of this hole in this. Now this thing, this will last you throughout the whole day. And this is frozen fruit. Listen, this is a great way to get your fiber in. I also add Greek low-fat organic yogurt to boost the fibers, the probiotic, and the protein and everything like that. Plus, I got oats and a lot of vegetables, greens, everything. This right here will make you get tons of energy, stay healthy, lose weight. Why not? All right. So if it has any like clumps and all that stuff, you could always leave it in a little bit longer, which I should have, but I just too excited. And then all you do is pull this up. Actually, wash that out. Let's see. Oh my God. Incredible. Whoa, one hand. And we got a little, I should have brought a bigger glass. Look at that. I could smell the bananas and everything. Product Zone is going to live longer here, thanks to Nutribullet. So what I'm going to show you right here, this is what you need to pay attention. Look at that. Nothing. All liquid. See that? So I know a lot of people said when you blend the veggies, you lose the fiber, you lose the nutrients, is no good because you're crushing everything up. I mean, I don't believe in that personally because remember, our teeth are choppers. We're like blenders in our mouth because our teeth is breaking everything down. So I don't know what is the difference between our teeth crushing everything and a blender crushing everything. If our teeth could crush it and a blender could crush it, why not? It's basically the same thing in my opinion. Wow. Woo. Listen, before you go to the store or you buy these things in a bottle, smoothie mix, it packed with a lot of sugar, artificial flavors, and fake fruit, cheap quality. They put it in there, put a fancy label, and you guys buying it. Blend your own smoothie is better. Buy frozen organic stuff, Whole Food or whichever company you go to or your local farm. You could go buy fresh stuff, wash them, chop them up, let them air dry on the countertop, and then freeze them. And every time you're ready, you toss a whole handful in here and you mix it or grow your stuff in your own backyard. Listen, this is incredible. This blender, 1200 watt, thumbs up. I'm telling you. I got 3 kids and they're going to be drinking some of these stuff right here. So it's powerful. 1200 watt, trust me, it's powerful. It's a no-brainer for me because I've been drinking smoothies and protein mix. I have the bottles and I have all this stuff we think about. Protein shaker, every single thing. What do you think about? I've been doing this for years. I went from a 700 watt, which was okay if you want, regular stuff. Blending like simple protein or a simple veggie mix. But if you're going to do like frozen stuff, you have to use a powerful one. I had the 900 watt Pro, which was pretty good. From the same company, actually, I just remember. It's good, but the only thing is it was very noisy and it didn't have this big option. I believe it was the same thing like one of these size, like the 32 ounce. If the 32 ounce was good for you, I highly recommend the 900 watt Pro. That thing was incredible. I had that for years, nothing wrong with it. I just had to get rid of it. It was time to move on. I highly recommend this 1200 watt. It's powerful. It's not noisy. You could see when it was blending, I didn't have to hold it or anything like that. The suction actually hold it on. The quality is amazing. The price was amazing. Check in the description box. I'm going to leave the links for this. I'm going to leave the links for the 900 watt Pro if you want a smaller one. But this is a great combo with every single thing. All right, thank you so much for watching Product Zone Honest Review. I just wanted to show you guys, and you can see I'm excited about this. I love healthy stuff. I love blending stuff. Even like ice cream and stuff, sometimes I'll just blend it up and there we'll make like milkshake. We'll put like crushed ice and we'll put ice cream and put all our stuff inside and make it. My kids love it. We are a big fan of blended stuff, and so far it's incredible. I lost a lot of weight from smoothies, believe it or not. I grow my own stuff in my own backyard too. So all my spinach and all my kale and Swiss chard and everything that I put in here actually came from my backyard garden. All right. So thank you so much for watching Product Zone. Please do subscribe. We got honest review coming up, a lot of videos coming up, and always check in the description box for price and details. I'll see you guys next time.